How to fix Reels quality drop on Instagram. If you want to fix if your Reels quality, maybe you're watching or maybe you're uploading and the quality is dropping significantly, right? And you don't want that to be the case. So some of the reasons this could be happening is due to your internet connection itself. So first we want to make sure that is not the case with us. Second, we go to our Play Store or our App Store and search for Instagram and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Now we open Instagram again and maybe you're trying to upload a new reel. So while uploading a new reel, what I recommend that you do is you simply go ahead and select an option called high quality uploads. So from here, I'll just select reel, and from the reels option, I will select a certain video, let's say from here. Now I tap on the next option, then I scroll down to more options. Then you have to turn on this option called upload at highest quality, and then only your reels quality will be uploaded. But if you're talking about viewing it, right? So for viewing also, come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon, then you'll find a couple of options on this page, right? So just be patient and wait and look for the option called data saver or something like that, similar options. So you can see data usage and media quality, and make sure to turn off data saver. And this way you should be able to get reels in a fairly decent quality as long as the internet connection is also quite strong. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.